Imagine your car won't start. You take it to the mechanic and he services it. You got new filters, you fix the aircon and replace the worn brake pads. Everything needed doing. He's competent and you're paid good money. So you collect the car and then after a little while it still won't start. Because the problem was the fuel pump and nobody looked at the fuel pump. A lot of couples work on their relationship like this. The books, the conversations, the sessions. None of those are the wrong things to do. But if one or both of you is depleted at a deeper level, running on a blueprint that this life wasn't built for, fixing how you argue doesn't move anything. The space that gets cleared fills with the same code. The mechanic is competent. The car is being fixed, but it still won't run. What if you've been working on the aircon